Alright, so as you can see, the battery voltage is running at 14.32 charging voltage, 14.3231. It didn't start today. I had to jump it with the JNC 660C. So now I'm going to turn it off and see what the voltage is holding at. Ignition is off. We're at 12.63. All right, since we identified the battery's weak or getting weak and about to go, I've determined that I'm not going to replace it right away. I got the jumper pack, the JNC 660. That'll get it started. This is not my daily driver, so we'll just wait until it totally goes dead. And then we'll get a new battery. Interstate batteries, they range from 120 to 250 to 300, so I want to get a new battery, but a good battery. Buy once, cry once. All right. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.